Fuan kaham zotono. Akeze aini channel. Kaubru versus English teaching. Naye tong nai rong no lam sao sao. Dini ni English nong layok na ma khe. Ma bai msa Kauma salai moni. Snong lai nai. Phai di khet zong balu ya ye snong lai na. Good morning, Malu. Fuan kaham, Malu. Good morning, Mom. Fuan kaham, Amo. Did you sleep well? Kaham kede tuha? Yes, I slept well. Kaham keno tuha? What time is it? Daim suka tahala? It is 7 o'clock. Daim sning kaha. You need to get ready for school. Nungle school thangni zai o anasi. Okay, Mom. I'll brush my teeth and take a bath. Akoyamo ang huye te kugrano. Please make your bed after that. Abo pai ke nin tu thai zai kedi. Sure, Mom. Kewano. Amo. What are you making for breakfast? Fuan chamong let mas nam tui hala. I'm making bread, eggs, and milk. Awain bla tau tui ake du snam tungu. That sounds delicious. Tau kek nahaling. Can I help you? Ang nang kra na de. Please put the plates on the table. Table lo mai rang rau tuing gradi. Should I also bring the glasses? Kuri rau po tui biao na de. Come and eat. Paidi cha paidi. You don't want to be late for school. School thang ni balu yok nai ungya. I'm coming. Pai tongo. Mom, where is my school bag? Among, I'm school bag le bro. It is near the sofa. Sofa samosi. Did you pack your books? Nin boy rao da pai hade? Yes, I packed them last night. Mia horo da pai ha. Don't forget your water bottle. Nin tui bodo ta pau di. Oh, right. I almost forgot it. Oh, I know. Tao sa ke pau si thanai ha. I'm ready to go. Ang thang mai ha. See you. Take care. Malay pinay kaham ke tong di. Nrau bodi ke English nom chu ke comment section o sadi ang buskang wo tre toy pinay like, share and subscribe.